Hi. Recently, YouTube has begun filtering comments in the community section by something called Most Relevant, which in my opinion seems dumb since all comments are usually very relevant. You can, though, change this by simply clicking on Sort and then instead of Most Relevant, select Newest. The problem is, though, that you need to redo this little procedure every time you enter the community comments section, or at least so I thought. Instead, we can actually make this sorting option the default one, or at least save it to always be the active one. To do this, we click on Sort By and select Newest followed by Apply, just like normal. Then we click here where it says Filter, and down the bottom we have the very well hidden option to set current filters as default. After selecting this, the newest filtering option sticks around on its own every time you enter the comments section. Alright, that's about that. Thank you for watching. Bye.